Eric Stoller. We're here at the American Academy of Stem Cell Physicians. I'm here with Dr. David Weiss from West End Foot and Ankle, located in Richmond, Virginia. He was one of the keynote speakers here. David, thank you for doing this interview. Share with us a little bit about what you do and what brought you here to the conference this weekend.
Well, I'm primarily trained as a foot and ankle surgeon, and I've found after about 30 years of practice, I'm trying to do less surgery and using stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine to help prevent surgery.
Now, have you found that that's been highly effective in treating patients and helping them recover quicker?
Absolutely. It is the next generation of treatment, and I believe more and more people will be doing this, and as they find out, the results are just remarkable.
Now, you were here speaking today, or this weekend. Tell me a little bit of what you were sharing with the participants.
Well, the beauty of this organization is there's physicians from all around the country with all different disciplines, and I found that by sharing my experience with foot and ankle surgery and how I use placenta and how I use PRP to help augment the surgeries and create better healing, and dealing with very difficult fractures that typically would need surgery, we're injecting people with placenta and PRP to prevent surgery. And I think a lot of these colleagues were interested in this and how it can be used in their lower extremity.
Truly amazing. So again, a lot of people that were thinking about going to get a surgery or been recommended to get the surgery, you being able to save them from having to go under the knife.
Absolutely. Patients from around the world and patients from around the United States that come in just for this therapy.
That's so amazing. And I know people come in from all over to see you because, again, this is a specialized type of procedure. Share with me about the society and what it's done for you and for people that maybe are thinking about coming to another conference, which you can, share with them.
Oh, this has been an amazing experience. I have learned so much here in the last 48 hours and how I can apply these principles of regenerative medicine to the foot and ankle.
You know what, Doctor, what I heard yesterday from some of the other interviews was, it's a do-it-ourself project, right? We got to be in charge of our own health. And I love that the stem cells is such an amazing way to help heal the body. Can you share with folks when they come to visit you at your clinic, what kind of level of service that they're going to get to go home feeling better than ever?
Well, I think the most important thing is we are a small clinic. I don't have a giant organization, so when folks come in, there's personalized service. You're not a number, and I will guide the patient from the beginning to the very, very end, and usually a couple of years afterwards to check on the progress, making sure that our therapies are effective and making sure people are doing okay.
Truly amazing. So if somebody wants to get a hold of you, whether they're a professional that wants more on how some of your procedures can help them in their clinic, or you're looking for help with an injury, how do they get a hold of you?
Well, the easiest would be the website, which is www.richmondpodiatry.com, and that's going to be in Richmond, Virginia, and I am Dr. David Weiss.
Excellent. So before we end, I want to give you the last word on what do you want to encourage people that are serious about getting into the regen space or actually want to come join. You did share with us about what you got from this conference, that maybe you just want to give the last word of why they need to engage.
The true scientist never loses the feeling of amazement. And I think when we go to these seminars, especially to this seminar, I am amazed at the therapies that are available that can augment our surgeries that we do now or the procedures that we do now. And it's just when you think you know everything, you find out that there's a lot more to learn.
So there you go. Education, collaboration, getting around experts from all over the world that have all kinds of amazing knowledge that they have gained, just like yourself. So again, we want to thank you. We're here at the American Academy of Stem Cell Physicians here at their Miami 2023 conference. Click the link, find out more, get a hold of Dr. David Weiss, whether he want to come speak at your conference, help you with your foot and ankle issue, or just find out more about how you might be able to help your patients. This is Eric Stoller with Dr. David Weiss. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Eric.
All right. Thank you.